Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful's back again, coming at you from my little miniature little. I'm gonna just call it a shit account. I'm gonna leave it at that. But honestly, the game's kind of stale on my main, and like, I'm at the point where I can't get orbs because I have to wait for new events all the time. Spent about $1,400, didn't get the character I wanted, so I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna restart. And this will probably be sort of my main. Like, I'll still be doing my guild quests, I'll still be doing PvP on my old account. But for the most part, I kind of want to try something new. And it's just annoying. So I'm gonna be doing 10 singles on this banner and then 10 singles on this. And the reason I'm doing singles is, let me see. So 91. Anyway, the reason that I'm doing singles is like I don't really need a Hogyoku. I don't give a shit about a Hogyoku. And if I get it, great. If not, then you know what? I'm gonna chill. Like I'm not really too stressed about it no more. Like it's not really that big a deal. Like I need to just not give a shit. I think that that's my issue. Is like I need to just not care. I've been so used to going for links and going for meta and this and that. I'm just like it's tiring. It's tiring to say the least, to be honest. But it's whatever. I mean, like so far, it's kind of nice being able to like just like know that I have like a crap ton of orb sources, and like for the most part, like a lot of these characters are new or I haven't even maxed them out yet. So like, even though this character is not new, as you can see, like I at least can max it out for orbs. But it's crazy to think about like me doing. 'Cause I've done a lot of premium tickets already. Like I've done a lot of premium tickets, accessory tickets. I spent a good portion of orbs on expanding my roster. Like I think I can hold like 250 characters already. I can hold like 250 accessories as well. Just cause it's like I'm gonna spend it on. I'm probably gonna spend it on that anyway. So I figure I might as well invest in that late early. That's another 4 star. Load please, thank you. All right, so this is our eighth single. We're gonna do 10 singles on the double chance and pretty much just hope for the best. Still a bit wary, cause it's like I'm 4 out of 9, but like Ichigo's in there. If I don't pull him in the 10 singles, then if I don't pull a 5 star in the 10 singles, then I'll just wait for the individual. It's not that big a deal. I don't have any of the units in there either, so I'm not too worried. It was just 250 orbs in like it's a 3% banner, you know, so it's not that big a deal. Now, so this is double chance. So hopefully we can get a 5 star this video. That'd be great. Hopefully it's something new. So that was one. Ugh, Yumi Chica. Oh man, I've seen enough of you. Yeah, you're even maxed out on this account. Like, get your foo-foo ass out of here, boy. I still wonder if they're gonna do Jushiro. I don't. I kind of want him. I kind of want a new Jushiro, but I don't know if I would want it to be Thousand Year Blood War. Hey, it's Luppy. I got 5 more singles. There's a 5, and we're gonna call it good here. All right. Oh man, that's funny. That's the third rookie on this account. All right. One for the road. All right. You know what? We'll do one multi for the road, and then we'll call it good there. I'm gonna take a page out of Deep Profit's book. There you go. Now, who do I want? Who would I want in here? I don't even know. I would like a character. Yeah, so like any of these would be fine, to be honest. Okay, 20 DR right off the bat. I'm like 90% sure that that's new. Now, if we can get a Toon one, that would be OP. I also have BBS tickets. You know, I'll do the BBS tickets as well. Like, I actually have quite a lot of tickets. So, well, not really a lot. And I'll do them multis. I'm not going to do no, like, singles. Well, for some reason, I thought that was Ichigo for a second. I'm like, no, wait. I'm like, that's not his words. What is this? Ah, Kaku. I got a ball head. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no, I have that Kaku. Now let's move this along. All right. So Grimjaw's new. Good. Yeah. So I've been having fun on this account for the most part. I mean, it's a little daunting to be honest, like starting over and doing this and doing that. But for the most part, it's not bad. Oh, trash. Damn, feels bad. Not even a 4-star. That kind of sucks. But yeah, like as you can see, I already started making room. Like 147 out of 195. I'll do the premium tickets on my own time. Don't don't worry about that. All right. Hopefully we can get some new 4-stars. That'd be great. All right, we got one new Momo. That's good. And I don't even think I maxed out the Lisa or the Jackie. And do I have? Uh, I'll do the Bracewell tickets. I won't do the actual accessory like premium tickets. Like I said, I'll do that all on my own time. All right, garbage. But it's not bad. Like we got Grimjow. It has a 20 DR link. I could actually make use of that. Got a little showcase on my account. All right, there we go. Do it by yeah, rarity will be fine. Yeah, so what the hell? Oh, duh. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I've been like trying to max everything out. So this is the account I got so far. I'm gonna work on Gin. I'll probably live stream tomorrow. That way I can complete him. I don't have any crystal links, so pardon the leeching that I will be doing. As for my Rukia, I do have Frenzy unlocked, but I have to wait for her raids. And I do have a skill key, but I'm kind of wary on what I want to use it on. I'll probably use it in case I can't finish her raids. And can I do her raids? If I can do her raids, I'm definitely streaming today. Well, later on today. I need purple Ichigo, I think. Yeah, purple Ichigo, and yeah, none of her raids are out, which kind of sucks, but eh. Oh, no, actually I do need Byakuya's. I only need 4, but I'll still stream. Why? Oh, wait a second. I could do something. Alright. But, yeah, I got a lot of work to do. But, I'll leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on catching up, hit me up, stay blessed. I hope this is something new. Well, I hope you guys like this. This is something new. I never really wanted to work on an alt because I thought that, like, I always thought, like, you know, the rates are fair, this and that. But honestly, they're pretty fucking trash. After you max out your account and there's nothing you can really do. But it's kind of weird not having accessories, that's for sure. Like for example, my Rukia, like this is the best I got. And it's really daunting, but it's kind of it's oddly refreshing. And the best part is that honestly, Caleb has done a lot of things right in terms of making it easier for for characters for people to progress in the game. But so I'll give my hats off to that. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on catching up, hit me up, stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I wish you all the best of luck in your summons. Congrats to Dr. Mysterion who got their Ichigo finally. About damn time. And yeah, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. And yes, I've been playing Memoria Freeze quite a lot. I'm still a fucking scrub, and yeah, I don't even bother to check my voicemail. So